guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So this week I'll be showing you how I did the sprayed edge on Sea Witch by Sarah Henning. So this is Sea Witch. Again, it is a paperback, but I do have Sea Witch Rising in hardback. If you guys would like to see me paint that, it might be a similar type pattern, but it will be in a different colour scheme because the colours on that cover and on the actual book themselves are a little bit different. Plus, I'm planning on doing some mermaid, metallic-y type designs on the front and back cover. Anyway, let's get a look at the sprayed edge. So as you guys can see, I have done a shimmery turquoise colour that I mixed from two different shimmery blue and green paints with gold metallic tentacles, and I did little decals right on the edge there, kept it nice and simple, matching with the cover, but definitely something that'll stand out on a bookshelf. So without much more wittering from me, let's jump into the time lapse. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let's get another look at the book. So again, we've got that decal on the side, tentacles running up and down the front, and gold on the top. I really love how shimmery and shiny it is. As always, you can thumb the pages, comes back together, no chipping, no issues, which is why I love this paint. Templates for the stencils and the paints I used will be down in the description. I really enjoyed Sea Witch. It's kind of about the Wicked Witch from The Little Mermaid before she became the Wicked Witch, where you kind of see how it happened. So I did really enjoy this. This one was quite a nice one to be able to do. I just love how complementary the colour scheme is, and I've never done anything quite like this before. I think it's quite unique in terms of design I've done before. The template was quite nice as well. I did play around with a lot of different designs. I did think, oh, do I want to do fish or seaweed, shells potentially, but none of them really fit in the same way that tentacles did. You know, whenever I think of the Wicked Witch, perhaps it's the Disney influence, but whenever I think of that Wicked Witch from The Little Mermaid, I do think of kind of octopus tentacle things. I do associate that very strongly with that character, and there is nothing in the book that really, you know, dispels that. So I thought, you know what, let's lean in and let's just let's do this design, and I really love how it turned out. I think overall the book just looks so fantastic now, so I'm super pleased. Things that you need in order to do this yourself at home are down in the description. There is a link to my Etsy store where you can buy my stencils. In this video you did see me mixing some colours, so the a slight variation on how yours turn out could be different. I mixed yellow and gold together, very, very small amount of yellow with a very large amount of gold to make the gold colour more opaque, and I kind of 50-50'd the green shimmer and the blue shimmer together to make that turquoise colour. Other books I have painted recently: We Hunt the Flame, Vengeful, and The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V.E. Schwab. Honestly, that book, that was such a good book. Also soon I'm going to do Blood and Honey. Serpent and Dove was one of the first books I ever put on this channel, and I don't think they're going to match very well because I'm a little bit more advanced with my style and how I do things, but I'm really looking forward to painting Blood and Honey. I'm also planning on doing a Court of Wings and Ruin again, but very different technique. I'm going to try and leather bind it, so turning it into a leather bound book with some other special stuff going on, which I think you guys will just love, because I am in love with it already. I'm also going to be doing Cinder. I'm also going to be doing the Starless Sea, or actually I've already painted the Starless Sea. I've already painted Dancing with Thieves. So all of this awesome book makeover content is coming your way very, very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Also, I have been doing some painting that is just not on a book, so I've been painting other things because I can. So if you guys would like to see the other things I've been painting, you know, my sketchbook, my bullet journals and other things like that, do let me know. All of it is book related because I am obsessed. So let me know down in the comments section. Also, let me know, are there any books that you would like me to try and do? One of the ones that I've had requested recently is Clockwork Angel. I have not read any of the Shadowhunter series. It just kind of skipped me by somehow, but I picked up an edition of Clockwork Angel and I'm in love. I feel like perhaps a little bit out of my depth because I don't know some of the world building behind it, but I'm picking it up, and it's so good, like so good. So I'm definitely going to do something with that soon. I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks, and I'll see you all next time.